In this tutorial, I will show you how you can easily onboard yourself as a new user in Awork and get to know the tool. To do this, first create a new project by navigating to the Projects tab. Call it your name and onboarding. Now click Next and select the Awork onboarding project template from the template library. If it is not possible for you to create your own project due to your permission management, please speak to your Awork contact person so that they can create this project for you. On the details page of the project you have now created, you will find a brief introduction to your onboarding. Click on the Tasks tab and work your way through the 3 lists over the next few days. I particularly recommend the second list to familiarize yourself with the 10 essential basics in Awork. In each task, you will find important resources like Help Center articles. Once you have completed a task, you can simply mark it with the green task status. If you do not need a task, for example because your team is not using the feature, you can use the red task status. Select the purple task status if you want to discuss the topic with your Awork contact person. And that's it. If you have any questions, just contact our support team directly from the workspace. I wish you lots of fun with your Awork onboarding.